How to fix Redmi Note 7 Pro notification sound problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, if you are facing notification sound problem in your Redmi mobile, then guys you can simply watch this video to fix your problem. Okay, so guys, not only Redmi Note 7 Pro, but guys, if you have any kind of Redmi device, then you can watch this video to fix your sound problem. Okay, I mean the notification sound problem. So because many of the times we don't hear the sound, okay, whenever the phone gets ring. So guys, you have to do some solution, you have to do some setting. So after that guys, your problem will be fixed. But guys, what you need is here, you need setting. Okay, so after the setting, your problem will be definitely fixed. So just stay tuned with the video, and guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. So now let's start the video without wasting any more time. So the first thing guys, what you have to do here is, for the notification problem, okay, for the notification problem, what you have to do, you have to go to your mobile setting. Okay, go to your setting, and then guys you have to select here notification or sound and vibration. So go there, and guys, make sure to check your sound option. Okay, if your phone is in DND mode, then you have to keep on the regular, and then guys go back. Okay, so you have to turn off the DND service, that is do not disturb service. And guys, make sure to increase the volume. Okay, so make sure to increase the volume here. So after increasing the ringing volume, guys, you have to go here on the notification. Okay, if there is any setting, so we'll check there. But guys, if there is no setting, then guys just will leave it. Okay, so these are some notification settings. So you have to enable all the apps notifications. So guys, if you are not getting any application notification, okay, so just you have to enable all the notification from here. Okay, so if you want to enable, then you can enable the notification setting from the application. Okay, this is the shortcut. So just you have to do this setting. Okay, after that guys, I want to tell you is, go to this, go to here sound and vibration once again, and guys select a ringtone which makes loud ring. Okay, so for that you have to go to ringtones, and you have to go to all ringtone and select a ringtone. Okay, so make sure to select a ringtone, and then guys, your problem will be definitely fixed. Okay, so what you need is, you just need an setting. So after it guys, after doing the setting, your problem will be definitely fixed. Okay, and guys, if these settings works, then guys your job is done. And if you are still having the same problem in some application, okay, then go to apps and then manage apps. So I'll show you there as well. So there are some settings which you have to know, otherwise you will get a problem once again. Okay, so let's go to WhatsApp, just for example WhatsApp. Okay, if you are not getting WhatsApp notification, then guys go to WhatsApp notifications, and then guys you have to allow this sound. Okay, so you can see, and you have to allow this show notification as well. So you have to enable, and then you have to enable the sound notification. As you can see, allow sound, and after that guys, your setting is done. Okay, so after that, if you have more settings in the downside for a group notification or for message notification, if you go there, you will get the setting. Okay, so make sure to set the importance on high, and then select a sound from here. So after doing all these settings guys, you have to restart your device and then check it. Your problem will be fixed, and your job is done if the problem is fixed. And guys, if the problem still remains, then make sure to update your software from the about phone. Okay, so after updating your software, your problem will be fixed. And guys, this is how you can fix the notification problem in your Redmi devices. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.